Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's right, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment down below. Well, today we're at Western Dodge in Orchard Park, New York, because a buddy of mine, Sal, which I've mentioned to you guys before, that he is buying a new car. He's trading in his old GT here because it wasn't fast enough, even though it's only got like 3,000 miles on it. And I've mentioned Sal's channel before. His first name is Sal, last name is spelled A-D-I-M-E-Y. Hit up his channel. He's got a lot of cool music. But now, this is the 2020 Dodge SCAT PACK, which is a lot more horses than the GT. We're going to go from a 6-cylinder to a nice juicy 8. Let's get a nice little thumbnail going on that. So you've just taken delivery of it. Look at the nice Bembro brakes. Gotta love that. This car is brand new. It just came off the car carrier.
3 miles on it.
And yeah, it's got 3 miles on it, yeah. Because they probably put it on a test track just to make sure everything was good. So now we're kind of going over the car before he takes complete delivery of it. This is a nice bright red. Yeah, we gotta clean it up because it was built in Canada, then it had to sit there for a couple of days outside, then it went to Niagara Falls on the American side for 2 days, and now it's here. So we're gonna get the whole inside of it. I just love that new car smell. Everything is wrapped in plastic too. Yeah, this car's only got 3 miles on it. That's it. Brand new. You started this thing yet?
Yeah, I started it.
You got the keys on you?
Yeah, I got the key.
Can I start it?
Right here.
You just got to have it near you. Oh.
Beastie Boys.
How do we turn the radio off?
Yeah, no, don't do that right.
Well, no, we can't.
Yeah, we can't do that right now. You don't need no copyright infringement.
All right. No, I was going to turn the radio off.
Oh, it's on?
Yeah, the radio's on. So, I tried hitting off.
Right here.
There we go. Yeah, no copyright infringements here. But listen to that. Dude, the whole car shook. Have you revved it up yet? Dude, I hit it just a little bit and you can feel the car move.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a Beastie Boy.
Dude, this car is so nice. Listen to that. Oh man, you're gonna get in a lot of trouble with this, but who cares? Yeah, you will.
No trouble.
Yeah, he's gonna get some trouble with it. Oh man, 4-wheel disc. This car is right out of the factory, man.
Rimbo brakes.
Oh, it's even got it on the seats. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, the SCAT PACK
The SCAT
logo.
PACK logo.
Yep. Put this here.
Yeah. Oh man. This car is so nice.
You gotta love that new car smell.
Oh, I love that smell, man. That smell is so good. Oh, this thing sounds so nice.
Beastie.
Dude, you gotta get in there and hit it once so I can get it on camera.
Not right now.
Just a little, you gotta get it on camera.
This guy crushed my boot too.
Nah, well, Sal's been waiting a long time for this car because when COVID hit, we couldn't get the car, so had to wait on it.
Yeah, that's Beastie.
Yeah. Feel it move?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Actually, dude, you want to pop the hood? I'll let you open it.
Well, that's mighty nice of you to consider this my car. Please, everybody, don't pay too much attention because she's dirty right now.
He'll clean it.
Yeah, we'll get an after picture after I clean
Yeah,
it.
the SRT.
Rustic Trends and Sal Adamy team up.
That's right. I already mentioned that one too.
Right on.
God, look at it. This is what a factory car looks like right out of the factory. Oh, God.
It's freaking sweet.
I
So the
know.
car too has got cup holders under the hood.
Cup holder.
They
This
are.
is where you put your beer when you're working on the
what
car.
they're- No, well, not for me, but for maybe you guys. But yeah, they are. They're cup holders.
These are
Yeah.
actual cup holders.
They're actual cup holders.
That's
yeah.
funny.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. When you buy one of these cars, it comes complete with 2 free cup holders.
There you go, underneath the hood. When you're sitting here
Dude, that's
detailing.
funny. I
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah.
Cup holders.
Challengers and the Chargers are the only ones that have that
Nice.
under the hood. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, but of course they got more ventilation here because they got all this.
Yeah, because these
horsepower.
are actually, these are actually functional.
Yeah.
The other ones aren't. I mean, Ford notorious for that. All their events, a lot of them don't do anything.
Yeah. Oh no, how sad! All my stickers are off of the GT.
Oh no! Yeah.
no.
Yeah. Well, see, this is what he traded in. He bought this one new. You know,
Well,
it just wasn't enough.
They told me it was brand new. I don't know.
Wow. And how many miles were on it when he traded it in now?
33.
3,300 miles. That's
Yeah,
all. And this car had never seen snow or rain.
No, never.
And this one will never see that either.
No, not once I put it in. No, once
it
clean
gets
this,
all detailed up and
Yeah.
yeah.
You know what I'll be busy doing today.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Nice. Powered by SRT.
Hey, look! It comes with grape juice. It comes with grape drink. I don't recommend drinking.
No, I would not recommend drinking it either.
You might be a little bit more regular than usual.
Yeah, very regular.
Look at that. Man.
No,
I mean, they always look so nice when they're brand new. Just everything's all nice and shiny and new. And
well, it's dusty.
well, it's all dusty. Yeah, you'll get that all cleaned up.
It's not extreme sale detail clean.
Right.
But it will be. But it will be.
I already took the stickers off the sides right there.
They do come with a nice ruby trunk.
Oh.
I got my floor mats back here.
Oh, they do.
They're not SRT ones.
But you have new ones at home.
I got SRT ones at home. Yeah.
This truck's a lot bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, they are.
It's
They're
deeper.
pretty big. I could fit the salesman's body in here. Oh no, I'm just kidding. Come on, dude, this is wrong with me. I gotta get a SCAT PACK logo for here.
Yeah, there you go. Nice
It
little
didn't
SCAT
come with
PACK.
it. I don't know why. I thought they did, but that's all right. That's an easy fix.
Yeah.
But you know,
Look at that
as far
exhaust.
as leaving all this black, I don't know yet what I'm gonna do.
You know what though? I mean, I know you didn't want the black when it came with the chrome, but maybe it'll grow on you. Who knows?
But I think if I chrome it out and that's not chrome, I might not.
You know what though? I mean, it's got enough black on it where it breaks it up. So,
Yeah.
my opinion, I think I'd leave it. Cause you got the black wing, you got the black on the hood, the rims. It all kind of flows together now.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Oh look, what's this?
Oh no, spider web.
See it? No, it ain't.
Yeah, we're going over this car with a fine-tooth comb before he takes possession of it.
Yeah.
I should have grabbed you something out of the truck to wipe it down with, but yeah, it'll come off.
I think it's just dirty. Man.
It's just dirty. Yeah, I mean, well, you figure it's been sitting in Canada for a couple of days.
It kind of looks orange once in a while too, don't it?
Well, if it's anything like Pontiac, they put a lot of orange in their red paint.
Yeah.
That's what gives it that deep color. So, yeah, there's the sold sign through West Her Ford.
Yeah, don't get the bird.
Or West Her Chevy or Dodge. Jesus. Yeah, there's more car dealerships. They go for like a whole mile here.
Yeah, this is the car dealership block.
Yeah.
And it's more than a block. Yeah, the tires are pretty beefy, huh? They got good gears on them.
Hey Sal, did you see this?
What? What is it?
Look up here. Look straight down.
Yeah, it's kind of dented in.
That's a dent.
Yeah. All right, I'll have to let them know.
Yeah, that's a dent. That's not supposed to be there. Because I just chucked it to the other side, that's not supposed to be there.
All right.
Yeah, this is the brand new car. Look.
Yeah. I see it. He's probably not gonna care anyway.
Well, he's gonna care because, I mean, this is a $50,000 car. That's why we're going over this car and we're documenting it, so this way there isn't any indiscrepancies, you know.
Yeah, it is kind of dented.
That's a dent.
See what I mean, man? People are so careless, dude.
I know.
Plus, I'm having a bad hair day today.
Bad hair day.
Not liking it at all.
Uh,
I already
Alright,
crawled
man.
underneath. It looks pretty good.
Oh, that's good. I'm gonna wrap this one up because I know these GoPros, you go anything over like 15 minutes to start splitting it up.
Actually, looks like it ran over by FedEx.
Well, guys, there you have it. Sal's brand new car, 2020 Dodge Challenger SCAT PACK, and it's brand new. It's got a dent there. So let's see how well that one goes. So I'll keep you posted on that one, how it happens. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.